I got my first real 16, bought it at a 5 and dime. Played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from school had a band and we tried real hard. Jimmy quit and Brody got married. I should've known it'll never get far. Oh, and I look back now, that summer seems to last forever. Oh, if I had a choice, yeah, I'd always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life. Ain't no use in complaining when you got a job to do. Spend my evenings down at the Kralin, and that's when I met you, yeah. Standing on your mama's boat, you told me it'd last forever. Oh, and in my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life.